హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈ రోజు మనము లాగరిథం పార్ట్ 4 లో టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ది లాగరిథమ్స్ కోసం తెలుసుకుందాం. నేచురల్ లాగరిథం ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ నేపియర్ లాగరిథం. సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ కామన్ లాగరిథమ్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ బ్రిగ్స్ లాగరిథమ్స్. Here natural logarithms means the logarithms which are calculated with base e are known as natural logarithms. Log x base e is denoted by ln x. Yes. Common logarithms are Briggs logarithms. The logarithms which are calculated with base 10 are called common logarithms or Briggs logarithms. Log x base 10 is denoted by log x. Next we discussed about the characteristic and mantissa. Characteristic means the integral part of the logarithm is called characteristic. For example, log 50 is equal to 1.6990. Here 1 is the integral part, 0.6990 is called decimal part. So here integral part of the logarithm is called characteristic. So the characteristic is 1. Next one, mantissa. The decimal part of the logarithm is called mantissa. Yes, here log 50 equal to 1.6990. Here what is the decimal part? 0.6990. Yes, the decimal part of the logarithm is called mantissa. So here 0.6990 is called mantissa. Finding the characteristic of a number. Yes, if a number n greater than 1, yes, it has k digits in its integral part, then the characteristic of log n is k minus 1. The second rule is, if n is lies between 0 to 1, is the decimal number which has k zeros between decimal point and its first non-zero figure, then the characteristic of log n is k plus 1 bar. Now we observe some examples. Logarithm of 143.7. What is the characteristic? 143.7 is greater than 1. Here it has k digits in its integral parts. Means it has 3 digits in its integral part. So the characteristic is 3 minus 1. So the characteristic is 2. Log 14.37. Yes, 14.37 is greater than 1. So here it has 2 digits in its integral part. So the characteristic is 2 minus 1. So the characteristic is 1. Log 1.437. It is also greater than 1. So it has 1 digit in its integral part. So the characteristic is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes. Logarithm of 0.1437. It is lies between 0 to 1. So it has no zeros between the decimal point and first non-zero digit. So the characteristic is 0 plus 1 bar. So the characteristic is 1 bar. Next one, logarithm of 0.01437. As it is lies between 0 to 1. So it has k zeros, means 1 0 between the decimal point and first non-zero digit. So it has only 1 0. So the characteristic is 1 plus 1 bar. Means the characteristic is 2 bar. Next, the logarithm of 0.001437. In this case, it is also lies between 0 to 1. Yes, it It has two zeros between the decimal point and the first non-zero number. So the characteristic is 2 plus 1 bar means 3 bar. ఈరోజు మనము లాగర్థమ్స్ టైప్స్ కోసం తెలుసుకున్నాము. అదే విధంగా క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, మ్యాంటిస్సా అనేది ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలో తెలుసుకున్నాము. తర్వాత మంచి కాన్సెప్ట్ తో నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో కలుద్దాం. బై బై.